Honor Magic 5 Pro is a flagship smartphone from Honor that was released in March 2023. It has a 6.81-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1312 by 2848 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. It has a triple rear camera setup with 350MP sensors for wide, telephoto and ultrawide angles, and a TOF 3D sensor for depth. It also has a dual selfie camera with a 12MP ultrawide sensor and a TOF 3D sensor for face recognition. It supports 66W wired charging and 50W wireless charging for its 5100 mAh battery. It runs on Android 13 with MagicOS 7.1 as its custom skin. It comes in various colors such as black, meadow green, blue, purple and orange. It has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. It also has features such as NFC, infrared port, fingerprint scanner under the display, stereo speakers and reverse wireless charging. According to TechRadar, the Honor Magic 5 Pro is a versatile flagship that earns its place at the high table and praised its design, performance, camera and battery life.